What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are finally announcing the giveaway I spoke about in the previous video. So yeah, I'll basically be telling you what you guys stand a chance of winning and how you can win. And then for the rest of the video we are going to be raising my car because I've been getting in trouble with the traffics and I do not want them to take my disc, especially not before all the big shows that are coming up. Because I think it's just gonna be a unnecessary hassle or problem or issue for me to deal with that I don't really need right now. Yeah guys, I know I started the video at home, but now we are at the whale watch, or yeah, one of these lookout points in Gordons Way, because I decided today's video is a very special one. I can't just show you guys what you stand a chance of winning in the parking lot at home. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. So the giveaway was sponsored by a company that I truly trust, and I really do believe in their product, and the quality of their products is amazing. And yeah, I just thought it would be cool if one of you guys could also win one of these amazing kits so that you can look after your cars. So here we go guys. The giveaway prize is sponsored by Turtle Wax, and I think you guys are gonna enjoy this one. So yeah guys, that is what you stand a chance of winning. I'll just give you guys a quick close-up. So we have the ceramic wet wax, ceramic wash and wax, ceramic polish and wax, the wheel cleaner, ceramic spray coating, and the wet and black trim and tire gel. Also comes with a sponge. I'm sure this is for this, and 3 microfiber cloths, and you get this bag with to keep everything in. So guys, all you need to do is be subscribed to the channel, drop a comment down below letting me know what car you'll use this on, and give the video a like. That is all you need to do to stand a chance of winning this amazing prize sponsored by Turtle Wax. That is literally it. So I will be announcing the winner on the 30th of this month, so that gives you guys 2.5 weeks to make sure you entered into the competition and to make sure that you followed all the steps. I will be doing the draw live on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. I will then add that recording of the winner to the video I'm going to upload in that week. I'm not sure if I'll upload the video on Wednesday. I probably won't. But yeah, the live draw will be on Wednesday. The live draw will be on Wednesday at 8 p.m. Hopefully there's no load shedding. But yeah guys, that is it. So I just made it back home. I think we can start by lifting the back and then making the front match the back, because the back is a bit easier than the front, I hope. So for the back, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the adjusters back in, but I'm gonna take the adjustment ring off so that it's just gonna be like this. So that it's just gonna, the spring's just gonna sit on here. So this is gonna give us another bit of lift in the back. Because I also don't want it to be too high, even though I'm gonna lift it very high now. Because I'm sick and tired of getting stopped and getting shouted at by traffic. So yeah, let's get to it. this is how I would have normally run it, just the spring at the back. Then I got stopped, and then I put the rubber in to give it a bit of lift. So then it was like this. Then I got stopped again, and I was told it was too low. So now I'm gonna put this in, and this is how it's gonna be. So hopefully this is enough. So this is how the back looks. I think it's gonna settle a bit more, but it's extremely high. It's 2 fingers. It's very high. This is how the front looks. That's how the back looks. So I think let's tackle the front. So what I did was I measured from the fender to the middle of the wheel at the back to see how how far it is, basically, so that I can then try and closely match the front to the back, and then I can also just use that same measurement for that side, so that I know the front is at the same height and the car's not skew or anything. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't affect the alignment too much, because I just got the car aligned the other day. So yeah, let's get to it. So that is how the front now looks, guys. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but the car is a lot higher than what it normally is. It's actually scary, but okay, let's go repeat the process on the other side. So yeah guys, this is now how the car looks. It is extremely high compared to how it used to be. Yeah, I don't know how to feel about this. It's weird. It's very weird. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna check that the car is at the same height on both sides, so that the car isn't, I don't want it to be skew or anything. I want it to be perfect right around. So the two fronts must be the same, and the 2 backs must be the same. So yeah, I'm just gonna check that, and then we will close the video off. Okay guys, so that's it from me. Car is lifted. I'm happy with this height. It still looks alright, I think. I think it's gonna be, now I can go a lot more places without hurting the car. I just like to thank each and every one of you for helping me reach 2,000 subscribers. Guys, thank you so much. You have no idea how much it means to me. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate all the likes, all the comments. I appreciate it all. I appreciate the shares. Thank you guys so much for the support. Yeah, that's it. That's really all I have to say. But keep subscribing, keep liking, keep showing love. Guys, we are busy growing this channel, and there are many more great things to come. Don't forget to enter the competition, and all you need to do is just drop a comment down below. Let me know what car you're going to use the turtle wax kit on, and don't forget to subscribe. Like the video as well. So yeah, it's only those 3 steps, eh? Yeah. Like the video, comment what car you're going to use it on, and make sure you are a subscriber. Guys, thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace.